Hey guys, it's Chris from Florida Drone Supply, and we are here for those of you that still have many questions and concerns about when the remote ID law will go into effect. Well, we have some great news, and it is official that the FAA has indeed pushed the date for the remote ID law, and it will not go into effect September 16th, but will be pushed 6 months to March 16th of 2024. Now, for many of you, that will bring a huge sigh of relief because literally no one is ready for this. We have been in contact with many manufacturers of the remote ID modules, the manufacturers of the drones, and more importantly, the FAA. And we have been trying for months and months to get stock of the remote ID modules, and quite frankly, we have had limited success. The manufacturers of the remote ID modules are telling us that they are 4 to 6 weeks and maybe more away from fulfilling our stock orders. So what does this mean for you? Well, if you have a drone that has remote ID already built into it, this does not affect you. If you have an older drone that does require a module, this means that you will have more time to get things in order before the new deadline. We recommend doing your research about the modules available and about the importance of having your aircraft remote ID compliant. I believe the majority of drone pilots out there saw this extension coming, and we have speculated the same for a few weeks, but we always try to bring you facts instead of rumors, and we did not want to jump the gun and get our hands slapped by the guys up in DC. So what do you do now? Well, if you pre-order the modules that we are selling, as soon as they are delivered here, we will ship them to you immediately. We hope this helps clear things up about what is the current status with the remote ID law. Rest assured that things are more clear now, and you can continue to produce and make amazing drone content without worrying if you are currently in compliance with the remote ID laws or not. If you have any questions, we are always here to help. You can reach us by phone at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.